Today we are going to learn more about the different fractions as they go to different worlds. So yesterday we talked about how...
Not yesterday.
Sorry, Monday. Now this is being recorded, so you need to be very nice in case your parents listen to and watch this recording, okay?
Okay.
But you guys are always nice, right? Okay, so in our world, right, where we live, this is 1, always, okay? But on different planets, on the fraction planets, different worlds, in the world of halves, this is not 1. What is it?
Half.
1/2, okay? So you can also think about it as one slice in a world where there's a total of 2 slices, okay? On this planet, this is the world of thirds, as you can show by this, okay? So in this world, this little guy, is he 1?
1/3.
He's 1/3, and he's not 1/2 either. Why is he not 1/2? Because he's 1/2 over here. They look the same.
Not half yet. Because he's on a different planet.
Because he's on a different planet, okay? All right. So this guy over here, I will show you to make sure you can see the measurements. This is the world of what? What planet is that? Fourths, okay? So this guy right here, this little guy, what is he?
1/4.
1/4. He's not 1/3. He's not 1/2. He's not 1. He's 1/4 when he's on this planet, okay? All right. This guy, what's his name?
1/2.
He wants to go visit over here. Is he allowed to visit?
No.
Not yet. Why not?
He has to transform.
He has to transform. Right. Exactly. Okay. So what does he need to transform now? He needs to be the value of 1/2 over in the world of fourths. Yes?
It's going to be 2.
It's going to be 2/4. So he needs to go and then boom, like that. He's going to look like this. And why does he look like this? Anyone know why he looks like this? Because times and because half. Because of this. Okay? You look at it this way. If it takes 2 of these little guys to make the whole planet, then it makes 2 of this bigger guy to make this planet of fourths, okay? So that's why 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Not there yet, okay? So, okay. And so what we talked about earlier is you take 1/2, you figured out that the denominator, you need to multiply it by 2 to get to 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So then you figured out 1 times 2 equals 2. So that's why 1/2 and 2/4 are the same thing. Okay, so now he says, hi, who are you? I'm 1/4. Oh, I'm 1/2, otherwise known in this planet as 2/4. Oh, nice to meet you. Want to play? Yeah. Okay, so they come together and they play. Together, what are they?
3/4.
3/4, exactly. 2/4 plus 1/4, equals 3/4. That's exactly right. Okay. All right, nice to meet you. I'm going to go back home. Okay, bye. So he comes back, and now he's 1/2 again, okay? Now, he wants to visit 1/3. Sorry, thirds. Must transform first, right? Can you make an equivalent fraction of 1/2? That's the same that's in the world of thirds. Okay, I see a lot of people shaking their heads. Right, okay, not easily, right? There could be some funky ways, but we're not getting into the funky ways in Math Quarta, okay? So, he says, oh, I want to play with you, but I cannot because 2 times nothing that you know of equals 3. So if you can't change the denominator to be the same thing, he can't go over there. But they really want to play with each other. They're very sad, okay? How do you think that they can play with each other? Does anybody have any ideas? Yes?
Can the one on the 3 planet come to the second planet?
Can the
Half planet?
Can this guy come over here? Ah, okay. Can you multiply 3 by anything to become 2?
Nope.
No. Okay. Yes?
They can go to the 6th planet?
They can go to the 6th planet. Okay, well, let's look at that. Okay, I need to remember what my 6 is. Is this 6?
Yep,
That's the 6. Okay, all right. Yes, okay. This is the planet of 6, okay? And you know that it's the planet of 6 by taking up all these little guys, and you can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? This is the planet of 6. All right. The reason why you can choose a planet of 6, can anyone tell me why it would be the planet of 6? Yes? Okay, that's okay.
Because 3 times 2 equals 6.
Because 3 times 2 equals 6, right? 2 3s look like this. Good. And then what else? Yes.
3 twos.
3 2s equals that. So that's why you can call these things. That's how you can get 2 to 3, 2 to 6, and 3 to 6, okay? Guess what this is also doing? This is also figuring out a common multiple, okay? With common multiples, you're just skip counting until you get to the same length, all right? So, okay, so I heard something, okay, so this 3 denominator, you do 3 times what to equal 6? So you need to do 1 times 2 to equal 1 times, so in order for him to come here, he also needs to multiply by 2. So what does this guy become?
4?
Nope. 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. So he looks like this now, okay? Okay. And then who's the other guy? 1/2. Okay. He wants to come over too. Okay? What does he need to do? The world he was on had to multiply by what to become 6? 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So this needs to be 1 times 3, which is what? 3. Okay, so he now looks like this. Now they can play together. 2 6 plus 5 6 equals. What did I say it wrong? 2 6 plus 3 6 equals.
5 6.
Good. Actually, did I do it wrong?
Yeah, it should be 6.
I think I did something wrong. This guy. Wait. This guy became here. This is 3 6. 3 6 plus 2 6 equals 5 6. Okay? That's how you add fractions when they don't have the same denominator, okay? And you would do the same thing if you were subtracting, okay? 3 6 minus 2 6 equals what? 1 6, okay? So that is the world of fractions, fraction planets or planet fractions, and how to add and subtract. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.